Welcome back to Auto Nova, your go-to destination for the latest and most detailed car reviews, walkthroughs, and first impressions. Today, we have an exciting vehicle to explore: the all-new 2026 Honda Step WGN. This latest generation MPV brings a fresh approach to family mobility with a focus on space, technology, and hybrid efficiency. Whether you are a longtime Honda enthusiast or a family looking for a practical yet stylish van, this video will give you everything you need to know about the 2026 Step WGN. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Step WGN has undergone a subtle yet significant design evolution. Honda has managed to retain its iconic boxy silhouette, which is perfect for maximizing interior space, while giving it a more modern, streamlined look. The front fascia features sleek LED headlamps with a sharp signature light pattern that gives it a futuristic appeal. The front grille is bold yet elegant, with chrome accents and a design that blends perfectly into the bumper. The lower front has aerodynamic contours that improve airflow, reducing drag and enhancing fuel efficiency. The van sits on stylish alloy wheels, which are available in multiple finishes, giving it a premium appearance without being too flashy. The rear features large tail lamps that stretch across the back, making the Step WGN instantly recognizable even from a distance. Sliding doors on both sides enhance accessibility, especially in tight parking spaces, and the power sliding option adds convenience for families. A power-operated tailgate ensures that loading luggage or groceries is effortless, which is a small but important detail for everyday usability. Under the hood, the 2026 Step WGN is offered in a hybrid configuration, known as the eHEV system. This combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver a total output of 184 PS and 315 Nm of torque. The petrol engine primarily acts as a generator, powering the electric motor for smooth, quiet, and efficient driving. At higher speeds, a direct drive clutch engages to improve efficiency and responsiveness. This hybrid setup ensures that the Step WGN is not only environmentally friendly but also economical on fuel, with reported figures of around 18.5 kilometers per liter under standard driving conditions. The eHEV system also delivers a quiet cabin experience, as most city driving is handled entirely by the electric motor, reducing engine noise and vibrations significantly. For drivers who prioritize a balance between performance and fuel efficiency, this hybrid system is a major selling point. Inside, the Step WGN excels in offering space and comfort. Honda has designed the cabin to be versatile and family-friendly. The typical seating layout is 2-2-3, with captain chairs in the second row and a bench seat in the third. The captain chairs come with ottomans for added leg comfort, ideal for long trips. These seats are adjustable, allowing passengers to recline and enjoy a more relaxed journey. The third row bench can fold flat, providing ample cargo space when needed. Overall, the interior is modular, making it easy to adapt to different passenger and luggage combinations. Materials have been upgraded in this generation, with high-quality soft-touch plastics, premium fabric, and leather options depending on the trim. Ambient lighting, multiple storage compartments, and cup holders add convenience and practicality for everyday use. Technology inside the Step WGN is both modern and intuitive. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Honda's latest interface, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation. The system is responsive and easy to use, minimizing driver distraction. A digital driver display provides essential information such as speed, fuel efficiency, and hybrid system status, ensuring that you are always aware of your vehicle's performance. Other features include climate control with multiple zones, a rear seat entertainment system for passengers, wireless charging, and USB ports throughout the cabin. These tech upgrades make the Step WGN competitive in the midsize MPV segment, appealing to tech-savvy families who value connectivity on the go. Safety is another area where the 2026 Step WGN shines. Honda continues to offer its renowned Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation, and traffic sign recognition. Additional safety features include multiple airbags, stability control, traction control, and anti-lock brakes. Sliding doors and power tailgate come with safety sensors to prevent accidents while opening or closing. This focus on safety ensures that the Step WGN is not only comfortable and practical but also reassuringly secure for families of all sizes. driving dynamics in the Step WGN are surprisingly nimble for a vehicle of its size. The hybrid system provides smooth and linear acceleration, and the low center of gravity helps with stability around corners. Steering is precise, and braking is responsive, giving drivers confidence even in busy city traffic. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and provide a comfortable ride, ensuring passengers enjoy a smooth journey whether on urban roads or highways. Despite its boxy profile, the Step WGN handles well, with minimal body roll and good balance, which is a testament to Honda's engineering expertise. One of the standout aspects of the Step WGN is its cargo and storage capability. With the third-row seats folded down, the boot area expands significantly, making it suitable for luggage, groceries, or even sports equipment. The interior can be customized with removable or adjustable seats to accommodate larger items. Combined with the flat floor design, loading and unloading is straightforward, making the Step WGN a practical choice for family adventures, weekend trips, or daily errands. The clever storage compartments, cup holders, and underfloor bins also contribute to a sense of practicality rarely seen in vehicles of this segment. In terms of exterior customization, Honda offers several trims and optional packages for the Step WGN. These may include premium alloy wheels, body-colored bumpers, chrome accents, and roof rails. Color options range from classic white and silver to metallic blues and reds, catering to different tastes. The overall design philosophy balances practicality with aesthetics, ensuring that the Step WGN looks good while fulfilling its functional role. For buyers who want a slightly sportier look, certain trims include blacked-out accents, tinted windows, and subtle aerodynamic spoilers, adding personality without compromising the MPV's family-friendly character. Market availability of the 2026 Step WGN currently includes Japan, Thailand, and Indonesia, with some variants fully imported as CBUS in certain regions. While it is not yet officially confirmed for markets like Pakistan, enthusiasts and families who are interested in a hybrid MPV may consider importing one. Potential buyers should be aware of import regulations, availability of spare parts, and servicing requirements, especially for hybrid systems, as this can impact maintenance and long-term reliability. Despite this, the Stepwagon's appeal is strong due to its combination of space, efficiency, and advanced features, which makes it a unique offering in the midsize MPV segment. Comparing the 2026 Step WGN to competitors, it holds up well. Against vehicles like the Toyota Sienna or Nissan Serena, the Stepwagon's hybrid drivetrain provides a significant advantage in fuel efficiency. Interior versatility and comfort are on par, if not superior, thanks to the second-row captain chairs and reclining ottomans. Tech offerings are modern and comprehensive, rivaling or exceeding those of competitors, while Honda's reputation for reliability and build quality adds another layer of confidence for buyers. The environmental and economic benefits of the hybrid system are also worth highlighting. Not only does the Step WGN produce lower emissions compared to conventional petrol MPVs, but it also reduces running costs through improved fuel economy. The regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery during city driving, and intelligent energy management ensures the petrol engine operates efficiently at all times. These features make the Step WGN not just a comfortable family vehicle, but also a responsible choice for eco-conscious buyers. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Step WGN is a compelling option in the family MPV segment. It combines a spacious and versatile interior with a modern hybrid powertrain, advanced technology, and comprehensive safety features. The vehicle's design is practical yet stylish, offering a premium feel without being overly extravagant. For families looking for comfort, efficiency, and reliability, the Step WGN ticks all the boxes. Honda has successfully updated this generation with a focus on hybrid efficiency, passenger comfort, and modern conveniences, making it a strong contender in its category. Whether you are considering it for daily commutes, family outings, or long road trips, the 2026 Step WGN promises a balance of performance, space, and technology. Honda's reputation for reliability, combined with the eHEV hybrid system, ensures that this MPV is not only enjoyable to drive but also economical and environmentally conscious. For those who prioritize safety, the Honda Sensing Suite and thoughtful cabin design provide peace of mind for every journey. Thank you for joining us on Auto Nova for this detailed walkthrough of the 2026 Honda Step WGN. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest car reviews and automotive news. Leave a comment below letting us know what you think about the 2026 Step WGN and whether you would consider it for your family. Your feedback helps us bring more detailed and informative reviews to the channel. We'll be back soon with more exciting vehicles and in-depth automotive coverage, so stay tuned.